Kamusta ka na? Ito ay simpleng salita ngunit mahalaga para sa isang tao. It's because these words makes them feel important. So kakamustahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Okay lang ba ako? Well, ang sagot ko is same lang din naman ng magiging sagot ng karamihan. Which is, okay lang naman. But in reality, hindi naman talaga. Lahat tayo ay may pinagdadaan ng dilubyo sa buhay. And we tend to hide it. And that's why our sufferings remain undiscovered. Hindi ako perfectong tao. I make mistakes. I look ugly. At marami din akong pagkukulang sa sarili ko. Pero, I prefer this version more than the older one. Itong buhay na meron ako ngayon is dating pinagdadasal ko lang. Considering how bad things were for me back then. I looked worse before. I lost many friends. And I've never had anyone to support me. Well, not until I found the realest friends I could ever have. Dahil sa mga kaibigan na yun, na-introduce ako sa gym. Which resulted greatly in improving my self-confidence. So in short, learn to reach out when you feel like you can't do it anymore. Find people who will guide you in life if you can't do it alone. But in return, wag mo din silang kakalimutang tulungan. The same way they help you push through. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang tatanungin ko. Kamusta ka na?